How to fix message notifications not working on iPhone. So if your message notification is not working on your iPhone and you keep on receiving messages, but your phone fails to beep or notifies you whenever you have messages on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through or you can easily fix this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix messages notifications not working on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, on the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to the messages app. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier, you need to click on the messages app under the settings app. Then on iOS 18, scroll down and click on apps and scroll down until you get to messages. So just keep scrolling until you get to messages, and once you get to messages, click on it. On this page, locate notifications and click on it. Once you select the notifications on messages, you want to check whether allow notification is enabled, then turn this on. Then time sensitive notifications, turn this on. Again, come to alert, lock screen, notification center and banner. Then you want to choose wherever you want to receive your messages notification. So here I prefer to have it on lock screen and notification center. Now, if you want to change the sound, just click on sound and change your message sound. So once you enable that, hit the back button and want to scroll down, come to show previews and click on it. So you want to disable show previews. This is in the sense that whenever you have a notifications on your phone as your SMS notifications, it will only show on lock screen notification center, but it will not show the message preview itself. Then come back to notification grouping. Then you may choose to group this by app, off, or automatic. So if it's automated, this is going to group it by app, and it may choose to turn it off. So in this case, I want to go by app. So it's going to group all your notifications on the messages app by app. Then once you have all this turned on, then the messages notification not working should be fixed. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.